Here I have Motorola E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume panel style on this device. So to do this, as you can see right now, I have like default volume panel style, but you can actually change it. And to do this, you have to download Volume Styles app from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, tap Start here, grant accessibility services permissions. And now you can change your panel's style. You can select one of these ones. You have different ones like this one UI, volume style, iOS volume style. You can create your own styles, customize these preset ones, a lot of other different features. So yeah, my personal favorite volume style is this emoji one. Just look at it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.